Time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis. Trading tools at the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, like I said, we will be checking out each of these assets one after the other. The first one we are checking out is going to be GainX 1200, and I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M Train Milker trading indicator to do my analysis. It is a custom-made indicator. If you are having, you can tag along with. Okay, so this actually went on uptrend right from here, and it came to an end at this spot. And of course, right from there, it started a downtrend just the way we have seen it. Okay, it switched into a downtrend at this point and gave us a sell signal, which goes with the downtrend signal. And of course, it sold till it got to this region. It has not been able to break out from here, guys. It has not been able to break out from this support zone, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. Although this might not be go too far, okay, if it does not break out from here, then it will go back down and try and break out below this support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. So it is still on pullback at the moment, and which happen to be a sell at the I mean a buy at the moment. Okay, so if it breaks out from here, it will be targeting this region, but if it does not, it will go back to this support zone and try to break out from there, and this will give us an opportunity to sell more right from there. Okay, so based on that, buying at the moment, but this might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to go above that resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999, still on 15-minute time frame. This actually started a downtrend right from here, and it sold till it got to this region. So it tried to go back on uptrend, but it didn't go too far. But right now it is selling. Okay, so I'm looking at it getting to this region. If it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then it will switch into an uptrend right from there and try to continue with the buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. So the next asset is going to be PainX 1200. This is PainX 1200. PainX 1200 actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. It switched into a downtrend and gave us sell signal. It has been selling since then, and it's most likely for this to still sell because I'm looking at it on higher time frame at the moment. So just the way we are seeing it right now, so you will notice that or realize that this is still trying to sell more and may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend until it is unable to break out from the support zone. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. It had been on uptrend for a while, but it has not been able to break out from this resistance zone. So right from there, it's trying to go back on downtrend, but we still need a clear signal for us to say if it's going to sell for a very long time. So if it gives us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, then this is most likely to sell till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, and of course guys, if it breaks out from here, then it should get to this particular spot. So I expect more selling opportunity. The only reason why it will not sell is if it breaks out above this resistance zone. That is the only reason why it will not sell, but for now it is selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This has been on downtrend right from here. Got to this particular spot, try to go back on uptrend and bought for a while before going back on downtrend. But this time around, it has just broken out below this support zone and may likely sell more if it breaks out below this support region. Okay, so I still feel that this is still going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. So this is still going to sell more than buying. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect the trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.